Bulldogs, my name is Kimmy. These are the things you need to know for this week. This week on Thursday, February 1st, we're going to have our first food share because we care. You guys can pick up your free produce at the Student Center courtyard and at the gym from 11:30 a.m. to be run out. Also, on February 1st, in the Lompoc Valley Center, we will be having our Dream Act application and FAFSA workshop from 2 to 3 in Building 2, Room 121. Remember, the deadline is March 2nd. Don't forget to apply for the Allen Hancock College Foundation Scholarship. It's still open. The deadline is February 21st. If you need letters of recommendation, ask for them ASAP. Apply. Free money. Planning to receive a degree or certificate this spring? Come see your counselor and fill out an application to graduate. Associate's degree for transfer, the deadline is February 15, and for all other associate's degree, deadline is March 30th. See you on stage, class of 2018. For more information about all these events going on, click on the links below.